Hey, sup! I'm back from Russia and I'm alive. So, let me tell you how it was. That was a long trip. First, I had to fly from Warsaw to Moscow. Moscow was sunny, a lot of people walking. I went to VDNH. There is an exposition about space. It was very interesting. I had fun in Moscow, but I had to fly to Vladivostok. It was a long flight, and finally I landed in Vladivostok. It was foggy, mysterious, a bit like Silent Hills compared to Moscow. I decided to check all the beaches in the city. Did I say beaches? First, I visited Sobel and Petrokol. People were swimming there, so did I. But the water wasn't really clean there. The radiation level was normal though. Next, I checked Russian island. No radiation there either. In the center of the city was no radiation. While I was preparing for my final destination, little did I know that the storm was coming. A typhoon made chaos. Vladivostok was drowned, and I didn't know if I even get to the beach I need. Fortunately, I was able to get to the Schitovaya Beach. After the storm, I caught a sunny day. The radiation level at the entrance was normal. Maybe because of the storm, the beach was covered with garbage. The radiation level near the sea was okay. Because of the storm, there were a lot of sea urchins. I started to move to the east. I wonder what was this building for, but the radiation was okay. From this building, I need to climb to get farther to east. Then I walked through a forest. On the top was a cool view. Then I reached a small obstacle. Probably a military territory was near. At this part of the beach, I couldn't see any people, but lately I noticed a military man was watching. Ooh, creepy. No sign of radiation here. How disappointing. Farther to the east was another beach without radiation. And tons of sea urchins. And on the way back I met cows. What the hell is going on there? So that's it. For the next trip though, let's find something more interesting. Peace out.